Hey, beautiful. Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have you. It is free to support you guys, so make sure you subscribe and join the Lita familia. So the first thing we did was cut her nails down close to where her natural nail was. And I'm going to go in and just file the acrylic down until it's thin, not to her natural nail. I'm on about 13 or 14,000 RPMs on the Erica's Journey e-file. I'm using a coarse bit by Pana. It is listed on my Amazon storefront if you're curious. So you want to use coarse because obviously it's going to help you remove the acrylic faster and more efficiently. I did get a couple of requests for me to do a video on how to remove acrylic nails. And I do have a video on my channel, but it's more so how to remove acrylic nails like from home if you can't go to the nail shop for them to do it for you. So this video is more so like if you're a nail tech or a nail enthusiast and you do your own nails. So thank you to you guys that had requested the video. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I just wanted to give you a little backstory. And I have to keep pausing and coming back for the voiceover because someone came to the door and my dog is barking and stuff. So I'm trying to like cut that out, make it as quiet as possible. But anyways, that being said, here are some key points, you guys. You need a dust collector. You need your e-file. You want to try to find the best, most efficient e-file with a high torque and a bit that is coarse, that is gonna, again, like I said, help you work efficiently, okay? Main thing also, you don't see it here, but you want to wear gloves and you want to wear a mask, okay? So even though you don't see, I'm in the comfort of my own like home little studio. So I'm just telling you what you should be doing, okay? So wear your mask, wear your gloves, and then make sure you invest in a dust collector and a good e-file and good bits for your clients, okay? And for, if you're doing it yourself, it's best to be safe and protect your health, right? I can also explain that, it is preference. There are nail techs that can't work with gloves on. They prefer to be able to feel everything they're doing, and they're not too concerned with, the contact dermatitis. They just wipe themselves off after they're done working. So again, it is preference. So just putting a little disclaimer out there, right? So I am going in with this Beauty Secrets Pure Acetone. You want to invest in these manicure bowls. You're able to put in the water or pour in the water, and you want to heat it up at about a minute and 20 seconds. And then you're going to pour the acetone in and you're letting them soak. So I saw this method on TikTok, so I wanted to share it with you. I think it was, her name is it's Kiki Nails by Kiki. I'm pretty sure. She was doing this method. Actually, she was on a live. Basically, what she does is she uses a sanding band, and the way she doesn't get any of the gunk or the soft acrylic on the sanding band is by wiping it with a paper towel first. And let me tell you, this helped reduce time. We only had to go in twice. All right. We went in twice and we were done. I felt like it was so efficient. So here she soaked. Oh, and also make sure that she does not take her hands out at all for 15 minutes. Okay. 15 minutes straight. You could even go as far as 20 minutes. Who knows? Maybe it would take less time. But make sure she's in there for 15 minutes at least, and then bring her hands out, wipe her nails with the paper towel, and then go in with the sanding band, and the acrylic does not get stuck on the sanding band. All right, so you probably noticed that the dust collector isn't there. You want to keep it there, okay? So please ignore that fact. So just pay attention to everything else, but don't move the dust collector out. We were watching a show, all right? We were watching a show, and we decided to take it out, but don't take it out. Notice how the acrylic is just coming off so nicely, and you're going around really gently, you guys. This is only at, I think it's like 4 RPMs, 4,000 RPMs, and yeah, it's just it's working really, really nicely. Or maybe not. Maybe it could be at 5 on the acrylic. And then the next time I lower it because we're closer to her natural nail. But you guys, you can see, super efficient. So if you guys try this out, let me know. And I'm just curious. And I hope that the video is helpful. So we go in and I prep her nails. Actually, like right after this, you can go in with a new set if you want to, but we didn't. She washed her hands and she did not get a new set. So we're going to take a little break until we go in, probably like a week or so. I don't know, sometime we're going to be doing a new set on her, but she's going to take a little break. So she's going to be putting her hands in for the second time. We're going to leave them in for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to wipe the residue off or any of the acrylic that's like soft. And we were looking at it like, wow, it was already basically completely off. There was just some spots on there. But she was even looking at it like, wow, that was really fast in comparison to other times. Because I'm the one that takes her nails off every single time. So yeah, it was very efficient. So I just wanted to share that with you. So that is all we needed. So this step, I would consider it like we were just taking off any of the leftovers whatever was left, and also just going through and basically just removing any residue or the white residue from the acetone from her natural nail plate. And then I end up going in with some cuticle oil. She can go wash her hands and she's ready to go, whether she wants to get a manicure, gel polish application, a new set, whatever it is, or just put on like a hardening top coat, just something to like protect her nails. But her nails felt pretty healthy. Of course, they're thinner because she did have acrylic nails on, but they did feel, considering she had those on, or that specific set on, for a month. So they felt pretty nice. And I don't think I showed it in this video, but we did go in and shape her nails a little bit. But the goal was just to show you how I removed the acrylic. And that is it, you guys. So I did say I was going to announce the $100 cash giveaway winner in this video. So I'm going to pop it up on the screen right here. Congratulations, Alejandra. You would have already received the money. So thank you so much for your love and support. It means more than you know. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have the most amazing, happiest holidays with your family. I love you, and I will see you in the next video.
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah.